Shalom Aleichem. My name is Rabbi Zechariah Wallerstein. I'm the head of Ornava. Been a Rebbe, been in Chinuch for 38 years. Have dealt with many, many boys and girls before marriage, during marriage, and sometimes after marriage. Reuven Epstein, who's a very close friend of mine. I am totally excited about this new series that he came out with called Marriage Pro. I have seen some of the videos. It is amazing. It is a necessity for anyone who's getting married and anyone who is married to be part of this absolute fantastic series and to watch it and to I guess become a member. And I could say a witness on Reuven. The work that he does with couples is absolutely amazing. He partnered with a rabbi and Rebbetzin Kovacs, who are also absolutely amazing at this. So I really feel that it's essential. There are so many problems today, get married, and then finally when you're married to stay married. And I think that any husband and wife that views this whole series, it will give them a really good head start and in marriage. And we don't really take classes. The first relationship that we have is a relationship where we just take as a child. We just take, our parents give, and the ultimate relationship, which is marriage, which is a give and give. How do you go from being a taker to just getting married all of a sudden and becoming a giver? And I think that's one of the most important things that you'll see in this series. And I think they will be very much liach, and it's very essential for Klal Yisrael, for the Jewish nation, to have these amazing people working on this, and it's essential for everyone to become a member, to buy this, and to view it. You should all have atzlacha and shalom bayis.